What's up guys? Today on my 2014 D40 Navara I will be installing a Plasma Man intake piping kit. This replaces the factory rubber hose and up to this point and down to here, because mine's a 2014, has a circlip, so you have to buy that option, and this one comes with a coupler for up the top and a circlip as well for down the bottom. I decided to get this piping kit because with the factory piping, because it's rubber, it expands under boost as well. My piping, as you can see right here and here, touches the underhood insulation once it expands. So that's slowly wearing through, so I figured, why not buy this? Because this one that I'm installing is metal, we don't need this bracket, so it's just one 12mm bolt to remove that, and then coupler on here, coupler to piping, and then circlip down here. Now I just need to install the circlip down the bottom and then tighten up both of the rubber hose clamps.